Doink.
PBS Kids.
Hiccups. Oh my gosh, Kati. Hiccups. Good morning, Dot. Good morning, Dash. Do you need a drink of water? Let's change the trick. This word is dash. Dash on you. Abo! Dash is where hiccups are. That. We what? Here you hiccups. Can you do? Here come this backward. Hic. Can you see? With some of the temperature, that could be a good word to hiccups out. Hic. Little help. Sorry, dog, they help you. Hic. And then one has a hiccup. Yeah, they eat once. Hic. Boink, 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 boink. Gosh, that felt good. That's nose dash. Here comes another. My brother the turbulent is the perfect. The chick. You are a sorry chicklish. There's dot. Dash monster. Dash stop. Dash you stop eat. My bad. No water. Hey, my house has learned. Yes. Is this over? Oh boy. Dad, please, Dad, that sucks. PBS Kids, that burg.